you guys, it's Skylar, and if you couldn't have told by the title of this video, I got a new cat. Her name is MJ, and we're doing some life updates. I got MJ from one of my friends. I went over to her house, and I heard that she was giving all of her kittens away. All of her kittens, and I think she's still giving some away. She's looking for someone to buy her cat, Butters. He is a male cat, but yeah. And so this one is MJ, and it stands for Mandy Jr., but she is so cute and hot. She's not even a year old. She's gonna be a year old on July 19th. But no, I got her from my friends Juliet and Avery. And if Juliet and Avery are watching this video, hit the like button. She is so cute. She will cuddle you at nighttime. She's pretty mad right now because my other cat is in the room, so she'll usually run up the steps because she doesn't like my other cats in here. Hold on, let me go get her again. I'm back. Now, we're gonna go into the kitchen and I'm gonna give her some treats and some catnip. She doesn't really react to the catnip as much as she does to the treats, but she's so pretty. Okay, hold on. Hey guys, so I'm gonna have her react to a little treats. We have the, what's our Whisker Lickens, and they're chicken flavor. I'm gonna get the catnip down while she's eating a bit of treats. Look, baby, baby. Look, they're right here. She loves her treats, but catnip she doesn't like as much as she likes treats, I would have to say. No, baby. Look. They're there. Look, is it here? That's her catnip. She really doesn't like it as much, but baby, you want a treat? Look where it is. Now we're gonna have her react to some catnip. Let's see how this goes. I don't know. Like, I don't know if it's just this catnip brand or what is it. Come on, baby. Come on. No. No. Yeah, she doesn't like it. I usually have to sweep it off before later, but no! She's going a little bit crazy, but she doesn't react to it as much as she usually does. You want another? Wait. Over here. Over here. Good kitty. Now, like I said, Petunia really doesn't react to her as much as I wish she did, but hey, baby, 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 MJ. No catnip. Over here, baby. MJ, come here. Look what I have. Look what mommy has. Look what mommy has. Come here. Come here, look what mommy has. You're a little ignorant one. You're a little ignorant. She's really ignorant at times. If you take way too long with her treats, she is pretty ignorant. No more treats after this one. No. 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 Bye, baby. 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 No. No. You gotta come up here. Come up here. No. You want it? Come over here. Okay. Come up. 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 And she took it. Okay, now I'm gonna just show you where we usually keep food. Petunia's food is over there, but we keep her food over here. It's that red one right there. She doesn't react well to Petunia. We could just say that, but oh, baby, oh no. So that's our new addition. Also, some more life updates is I just got my makeup and my makeup brushes in. So that means that there's gonna be more makeup tutorials on my channel and stuff like that. Also, if you have any tips or tricks on how to get two cats to like each other, that would be great, because I've had her for over like 2 weeks now, and they still don't like one another, but she successfully made it out of the basement. The first week that she was here, she was always in the basement, no matter what. We put her food down there eventually, and I think that really led to the process of her staying down there for a week, but then again, she was born and raised in the house that I got her from. Also, I'm going to go give Petunia a treat. Well, also, oh my gosh, lighting is terrible. Also, since it's becoming spring, we may have some more outside vids. This is just staying all cooped up in the house. Baby! Oh. Oh. Becky! Now, that is Petunia. That is the one that does not like the other one. Hold on, let me get the light on. Okay. That is the one that does not like MJ. Well, I used to have another cat, so. It's right there, baby. Okay, here's another one. That's all you get for tonight. Okay, guys, bye.